Today I planted the two basil plants. Well, I was able to divide them up, and I think I planted them like 4, even though they were 2. There was more than 1 in each pot. I got those planted up. I got all my onion sets planted, and I harvested my potatoes. It was just a little, I believe it was a 5-gallon grow pot, a smart pot that I had them growing in. And they were just grocery store potatoes that had sprouted. I can't remember if I planted 4 of them or 5 of them. I don't remember which. But in return, I got 8 potatoes. And they're beautiful looking. They're not very big, but they're pretty. So, right here's a picture of them. Then, after I'd gone through all of the soil that potatoes were planted in, made sure there was nothing potato in there, I put some bone meal and blood meal in there and kind of mixed it up in the dirt or soil. And then I planted seeds, mostly herbs. I planted some dill, celery, parsley, oregano, and one other that I've never planted before, and I think it gets bigger, but that'll be okay. Some radicchio. Anyway, stuffed the pot full of seeds. Got it all watered good, and we'll see what happens. And that's my gardening adventures for today. May God's love and blessings surround you. Darlene, signing out.